This is the main train station of St. Petersburg, Moskovsky Vokzal, Moscow station, and I'm going to travel today to Veliky Novgorod, one of the oldest and most important historical cities of Russia. And this is how this station looks from inside.
Сообщением Великий Новгород. Санкт-Петербург. Прибыл на 4-й путь. Сообщением Великий Новгород. Санкт-Петербург. Прибыл на 4-й путь. Будьте внимательны и осторожны.
It is easy, cheap, and convenient to travel by trains in Russia. All you need to do is download the RZD application from Google Play Store. Either just go to the website rzd.ru. There are plenty of different options to go to Novgorod, Veliky, but this one is the best one. It's cheapest, quickest, and most comfortable option. This is the train number 79, St. Petersburg to Kaliningrad. In 2.5 hours, you're gonna be in Novgorod with plenty of comfort along the way. Like this one. There is hot water on board, there are 2 toilets, and plenty of room. My journey today is about 200 kilometers, 2.5 hours on the way, passing town of Kolpina. Town of Tosna. And this is town of Chudova, where railway to Novgorod has its own branch, splits from main railroad to Moscow and goes to Novgorod and Pskov and farther to Kaliningrad. And from this point, train is gonna be running much slower. On this screen you can see the number of the coach, that toilet is free, and also time and current temperature in this coach. At this point, train enters the city limits of Novgorod Veliky. Arrival to the train station of Novgorod. Today's journey by train is complete and I'm going for a walk in this famous city. Last look at the main central train station of Novgorod and let's go to the Kremlin. Here it is, Kremlin of Novgorod. Another name is Detinets, one of the oldest Kremlins of all Russia. First mentions of these fortifications are dating back to 1044, 11th century, while Novgorod itself is known since at least 859, since 9th century, as a main trading center along the Volkhov River, close to the delta of Volkhov River where it enters to the Lake of Ilmen. Monument of Thousand Years of Russia, ordered directly by Russian Tsar Alexander II in 1862. Scenes on this monument representing most important parts of Russian history. And this is the most important church of Novgorod, Cathedral of St. Sophia, Holy Wisdom, in its original shape since the middle of 12th century. These walls are visitable. Total length is about 1.5 kilometers and you can walk all along these walls, visiting the towers and panoramic viewpoints. Let's look inside of this holy place. Cathedral of St. Sophia, Софийский собор. Bell tower of Cathedral of St. Sophia has very famous bells on the lower level and the upper level. This is Volkhov River, ancient trading road connected northern Russia with European traders. This river flows from the largest Ladoga lake into the lake of Ilmen. That is the oldest church of Novgorod, Nikolsky Собор, Church of Saint Nikolai, built between 1113 and 1136. My walk is coming to an end. This was a nice trip by train from St. Petersburg to the city of Novgorod Veliky.